In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step. So by the end, you'll have a Mailchimp sign-up form embedded directly on your WordPress page or post. This is a great way to start building your email list and capturing subscribers right from your website. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Forms. Click on that and you'll see another option appear under it called Other Forms. Go ahead and click Other Forms. Now you'll be able to choose the type of embedded form you want to use. If you already have a form created, you can select it here. If you don't have one yet, look to the top right corner and click Create New Form. This will open the form editor. Here you can adjust fields, labels, and the overall layout to match your brand and the information you want to collect. Once you're happy with how your form looks, click Continue in the top right corner of the editor. Mailchimp will now generate the embed code for this form. This is a block of HTML code that you'll need to copy. Highlight the entire code snippet and copy it to your clipboard, because this is what we'll be pasting into WordPress. Next, head over to your WordPress site and open the editor for the page or post where you want the form to appear. Inside the editor, look toward the top toolbar for a plus icon. Click that plus icon and a panel will open on the left side of the screen showing different block options. In the search bar of that panel, type HTML. From the results, find the block called Custom HTML. Click and drag that custom HTML block into the exact spot on your page or post where you want your Mailchimp form to show up. Once the block is in place, click on it and then choose the option to edit the HTML. A pop-up or editing area will appear. Make sure you're on the HTML tab, not a visual view. Now paste the Mailchimp embed code you copied earlier into this HTML area. When you're done, click Update or Save in the pop-up. You should now see a preview of your Mailchimp form right inside your WordPress editor. Publish or update your page or post, and your form is live. And that's it.